Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will be continuing Luigi's Mansion 3. This is, once again, I'll say it again because it truly is a really amazing game. This is just like really well put together. I'm already loving it, and we're honestly, we might be halfway done, it looks like, with elevator buttons, it looks like, at least. But I was thinking we had more. But yes, and today we're not, well, I'm not even sure what we're doing today. All I know is that we're going to try to chase a cat. Because if you guys did not see in the last video, I had to go get the cat. Because that cat. The cat stole my elevator button. So I have to go get it now. Where'd it go? In here, I'm guessing? Great, now where is it? Little kitty. Is he in here? This is a really cool boss fight in here. This is the Godzilla looking boss. It doesn't look like he's in here. Okay. He must be in one of these rooms. Okay. Room 1. Is he in it? No. Okay. I don't see him in here either. Okay. Did you lose track of Polterkitty, Luigi? Try using Dark Light, if that's the case. What? Oh. Ghosts have left traces in... Oh! Okay. So that's nice to know. If I want to know where the cat went, it leaves a trace of where it was. You might do that. It's weird I'm actually able to fight as Luigi, because the last time I wasn't fighting as him. There we go. That's quite loud. Okay. I'm not seeing the cat anywhere. But why else would there be a fight here? Oh, wait, he said use dark light. Oh. Oh, it showed... Oh, this shows the paw prints. Oh. Okay, so doors will just show the cat. Oh. Did I flash at it? I'm guessing I have to flash at it. Oh, I do it fast. There we go. Oh my gosh! That thing is terrifying. Holy! Get away! Wait, what? It just jumps away when I look at it, but when I don't look at it, it comes down. What is this to do? Oh! 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 Okay, so when it does that, I have to kill him. There we go. Beat him. Oh no, he has 1 life left? No. Oh my gosh. Great, I don't have the button. Little kitty, where'd you go? He's up there. I wonder if I can... I want Luigi to stay blowing on this. There we go. Got him again. Okay, Luigi, now you can stop. Luigi, you can stop now. Wait! I flashed! Wait, what? Did he just go down a floor? Oh my gosh. So do we have to go back down a floor now? Okay, great. Going on a wild cat chase. Oh, what on earth? Those are pink balls. Do I have to, like, fly? What on earth? It's alive? Wait, do I still do this to kill? Oh. I do. Wait, how do I do it in fast enough? Wait, how did I usually kill these things? Well, I didn't usually kill these things, but... Oh, unless I... Oh! Now can I do it? There. I can. Oh my gosh, I don't like these ones. I don't like those. Okay. Well, that's nice to know. But that's also a bad thing, because now I know that there's going to be more of those. I did some good damage. Well, 10 damage on me. Which is decent damage. What on earth? Sheesh. This is my last time I have to be on, if I have to ever be on this floor. I feel like I've been on this floor for a really long time. Oh, I have to go back down to the garden. Okay. See, this is weird. I never thought I'd have to go back down the floor to fight a cat. And honestly, guys, now that I think of it, we haven't saved one of our, like one of the Toads or Mario or any of them in a while. Because we saved, a Toad at the, like, the grand stage level. But that was it. I haven't seen any since. I really don't like this place. Oh, yeah, can I do this? What on earth? Can definitely tell I'm on the right floor. Because none of this was here. There we go, and a heart. Nice. Sheesh, that he echoes it really loud. So yeah, it's weird being in a room that I've already cleared. Did I even notice this? Huh. I must not have noticed that. Some coins. Or maybe I just didn't know I could do that. Okay, where is this cat at? How high do I have to go? It's nice that you don't have that old guy, like, watering the plant. Oh! Wait, did that get refixed? Unless the cat's in there. I guess I didn't even think about that. The cat is in there. Is he in this room or that room? Oh. Is he in this? No way he'd be in this. Oh! My gosh, I didn't even try to press it. Can I flash him? Where is he? Oh! No, flash the cat! Not the plant. Oh my gosh. I want to flash. There we go. Oh gosh, I forgot he did that. Okay, do what I did last time. If I remember what I did last time. I think he snuck up behind me and then he like showed his eyes or something. There, now. Oh my gosh, she has 3 tails. So that means I have to go do something again? Yeah. Looks like you went through there now. Yeah, Luigi, I feel you. Where are you, little kitty? There you are. Dang it. Where are you going? Up? Are you going back up to that floor, or are you going up as in up in this floor? Let me check up on this, and if he's not here, then I'll just go back up to that floor. But I don't think he'd have to go back up to that floor. That'd be insane. No, that part wasn't fixed. I remember this room. What on earth is that thing? Do I need Luigi? Never seen this thing before. It's got 2 tongues. Oh. Do I need Luigi too? Oh! Okay. So the orange ghost with 2 tongues, you need both Luigi and Luigi. I see the cat, but I wonder if I can do this. No, I want to do that. Now what do I have to do? Oh! Nuh-uh. Can I do this? Water. Okay. Nice. There we go. Did I kill it finally? It doesn't have any more tails. Come on. You're dead now. Oh, he dropped the thing. Okay, finally. I didn't kill him though. Is that a bad thing now?
Yes.
Great. I didn't even kill the cat. Back down we go. I wish there was a fast way to get down from here. I guess you could go all the way back up, but I feel like it's faster like this. Oh. Well, did I touch the floor? That's what I wanted. Okay. There we go. Through here we go. I'm just glad we killed that cat. I don't get what the point of that was. Can I get rid of you? Thank you. Money. I already got the thing right there, didn't I? So I already got this, didn't I? It's making me do that again. Oh, yeah, I already got it. Why not get it again? There we go. I think it was the yellow one, too, because it matched with the background of the picture. Okay. Yep. There we go. And now we can finally put the button in. And see what the floor is called.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Number 9. What does it have to offer? Unnatural History Museum. That one sounds cool. Well, yeah. But, yet again, I will have to save it for the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was a really cool, well, I would say cool. I didn't like the cat ate it and had to make me go back down to floors, but I thought there was a cool mechanic of it, even though we didn't kill it. So, hopefully the thing doesn't come back. Which probably will, but who knows. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe because I'm trying to reach my goal of 100 subscribers by the end of the year, and it helps out a ton if you guys want to see me do more of this. And also, if you guys have any like tips or anything on how to do this, if I'm not doing something right, or if like I missed something, make sure to comment down below because I miss things very easily. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.